This oven roasted garlic mushrooms will blow your socks off. Technically, it's a side dish, but it was so good. I just ate it by itself, just like that. And it's so easy to make. Perfect side dish, honestly. I got this really cute ramekin. For smaller size dishes, I like to use like the smaller one because we really just need a few garlic. Yes, I know it looks like a lot, but it's just a few. A perfect portion for the mushrooms I'm using. I'm adding salt and black pepper and then enough olive oil to cover the whole garlic. And this is when I realized I should have cut the stems off. But anyways, next time. And we're gonna bake this alongside the mushrooms so we're not wasting any electricity on the oven. This is perfect, and it has to be covered to make sure that it cooks truly on the inside. Cutting board, and I got like a good portion of mushrooms, enough for two people. And I always cut off the stem, that bottom, because I feel like that just collects dirt. We don't want that. And I'm quartering my mushrooms because I wanted to cook alongside with the garlic, and if it's sliced thin it will cook way faster than the garlic, and we don't want that. And this way it's like really cute and bite size. Putting it all in a bowl and drizzling with olive oil, that way the spices will stick to it. I'm only adding salt because I really want that garlic flavor to come through, and mixing it. And I realized one was missing, but it's okay, nobody saw that. Just throw it back in. And here is my baking tray. On half side I'm putting the foil down. You can use parchment paper or silicone if you want, and my garlic is going to go on the side, so everything is going to cook together. I'm preheating the oven to 375 and we're going to cook this for 20 minutes. Next time I want to try the same thing but with bell peppers. Ooh, that would be so good. Putting everything in 20 minutes. Maybe you can put it a little longer if you want your mushrooms to be more crispy. And look at that, still sizzling. And I also have a bottle on the side where I put all the olive oil, because it's basically garlic olive oil, which is perfect for a salad. Then mushing up the garlic with a fork. It's so interesting how the science, the chemistry changes in the garlic once you roast it in olive oil, because usually garlic will be spicy, but once you cook it like this it becomes sweet. So it goes from spicy to sweet, and it has that delicious sweetness, caramelized aftertaste. It's hard to explain, but it becomes a whole different spice. Forget garlic, and here we have a caramelly, creamy, sweet. It's just so delicious, and honestly, I don't know. It's just so good. This combination is bomb. It hits the spot every time. You can also get creative with more spices, but I really wanted that garlicky flavor to come through, and it's sweet and delicious and caramelized. It's so good. You have to try it. It's so easy.